Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 6 with a cracked back cover and maybe a damaged display. We'll see and find out. So right here, David is showing us the portions where we can see the cracks. You can see there, it's invisible on certain angles, but David is encircling it for us. And we know that we need to replace the display. And I believe it's turning on. The device is getting power from the battery, but it's not showing us anything on the display. So we're gonna slice through the adhesives at the back of this display. It's gonna be tricky, but we can easily do that by putting a bit of IPA alcohol, and I'm gonna lift it up on its side. Slice through it. And I think we have done so. We're gonna remove the retaining clip for the display connector, put that to the side, and we're gonna slowly lift up the connector. It's gonna be a tight fit, and there you go. Just like any other modern Google Pixel smartphones, we have the fingerprint scanner beneath the display, but I think this time the replacement display comes with its own replacement fingerprint scanner, which is kind of amazing. I'm gonna test it for now, and it's showing us something. It's been on the whole time. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work. Touchscreen, it's all working. We can type, we can search. Camera, the back camera is working, front camera is also working, and David is always making a wacky face. The buttons are all working. I think speakers are also working. There you go. We're gonna see if the fingerprint scanner that came with the device, the replacement screen, is working. But I believe David is going to show us a fingerprint sensor calibration. It's a new technique, but it's gonna involve connecting the smartphone to the computer so we can calibrate the fingerprint scanner underneath the display. We're gonna push the power button and volume down button at the same time. It's gonna be ready for the USB connection to the PC. And we'll be right back. So we can't really show you the process on the PC because we don't have image video capture device on our PC, but here you go. We're gonna see if the process worked. Security and privacy, we're gonna see if it's gonna add a fingerprint, and we can see that it's reading the fingerprint. And that is how you do a fingerprint sensor calibration on a Google Pixel 6. So if you want that kind of service, you can go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. You can ask David through chats, or you can just mail in your broken smartphone, and we'll see what we can do. And there you have it. We're just gonna finalize our reassembly process. We haven't really put adhesives on the display itself, so we're gonna go fast forward into it. to clean up the housing. Of course, these are standard stuff. If you are a beginner enthusiast of smartphone repair, you can start with the Google Pixel. It's really easy and you can do it on your own. But if you don't have the experience or the inclination or the proper tools, then maybe you can give your local repair service technicians a try. Maybe you can complete the repair with less hassle and less stress. David here is doing a great job making good use of broken smartphones. It's gonna save you money and it's gonna save the environment. I'm gonna push it in and attach it, put the retaining clip, and we're almost done. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook accounts. We are uploading new videos every day and you will learn a lot if you are keen on learning new stuff on smartphone repairs. And look at that, the before and after, not too much of a difference, but it's there. So cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.